In other top stories, the David Matthews Center for Civic Life is a nonprofit organization dedicated to helping students improve their mental health. The Matthews Center is also known for creating discussion guides on different public issues around the state of Alabama. Representatives from the center are trying to get new information for their latest guide and stop by Troy University for some input. Troy students and faculty discussed the not-so-comfortable topic, mental health. Mark Wilson, a partner with the David Matthews Center, facilitated the discussion.
So we're working with the Matthews Center on creating a community discussion guide on mental health. And so we're having a conversation with students and community members today about the ways in which community members can assist each other with mental health crisis, with mental health information, with mental health advocacy.
Among the topics students talked about were the lack of mental health facilities in Alabama, whether or not people with poor mental health should be allowed to own guns, and if prescribed medication is actually doing more harm than good.
So I think it's important as a student to always, gain more insight about mental health as it's increasingly becoming a part of, our lives, and it's become very important to know about and to be aware.
Towards the end of the discussion, students talked about the next steps that could be taken on the topic of mental health.
I hope, and the David Matthews Center hopes, that they would continue the conversation so that they take the issue guide from today, take some of the reflection questions that we give them, get a group together, get their fellow classmates together, continue the conversation with others in their communities.
The David Matthews Center hosts discussions in all of Alabama's 67 counties and looks forward to continuing the conversation. For those who wish to be involved in a future David Matthews discussion, you can find out how to get involved at matthewscenter.org.